In this video, I'll guide you through how to become a Google Workspace reseller. We'll walk through the very first and most important part of the process, enrolling in Google's Partner Advantage program. By the end, you'll know exactly what you need in place and how to get started the right way. To begin, the key requirement is that you enroll in Partner Advantage. This is Google's official partner program, and it's where you register your business so you can sell and manage Google Workspace for your clients. Think of it as your central hub for all things related to being a reseller. Access to tools, resources, support, and your partner profile. Start by opening your web browser and searching for the Google Partner Advantage portal. You're looking for Google's official Partner Advantage site, not a third-party page or blog. Once you've found the portal, go ahead and open it. You should see options to sign in or get started as a new partner. Before you sign up, make sure you meet two important requirements. First, you need to have a business website. This should be a site that clearly represents your company or organization, even if you're a small business or just getting started. Google uses this to verify that you're a legitimate business and not just an individual signing up casually. Your website doesn't have to be extremely complex, but it should look professional and include basic information like who you are, what you do, and how customers can contact you. Second, you must have a professional email address. This is very important. It cannot be a standard personal address like one ending in gmail.com. Instead, your email should use your own domain, such as info@yourcompany.com or sales@yourcompany.com. If you don't have this yet, you'll need to set it up with your domain provider or hosting service before you continue. This requirement signals to Google that you're representing an actual business, not just using a free personal inbox. Once you have both your business website and your professional email ready, return to the Partner Advantage portal. Click the option to sign up or join as a partner. You'll be asked to provide details about your business, including your company name, your website URL, and that professional email address associated with your domain. Take your time entering this information accurately because it will be used in your partner profile and future communications. As you move through the sign-up flow, you may be asked a few questions about your business focus, such as the types of customers you serve or the services you offer. Answer these honestly and in a way that reflects how you plan to work with Google Workspace. This helps Google understand your business model and can influence which resources and recommendations you see inside the portal later on. After submitting your information, you may need to verify your email address and wait for Google to confirm your enrollment. Keep an eye on your inbox associated with that professional email. Once your account is approved and active, you'll officially be enrolled in Partner Advantage and ready to explore the reseller tools and options available to you. That's all there is to the initial enrollment step. By visiting the Partner Advantage portal, signing up with a legitimate business website, and using a professional email address tied to your own domain, you're laying the foundation to become a Google Workspace reseller and build a reliable, trusted service for your future clients.